Hi everyone and welcome back to the Oh So and So. So, as you have requested, we're going to be tying bows. Christmas, any time of the year, trees, baskets, wreaths, gifts, whatever you would like to put a bow on. So, we're going to need wire cutters, scissors, and I also have these things. These were from the gift bags that you could put food in, but I use like different kinds of ribbons. So, and then I also got these at an estate sale. So we're gonna do all kinds of ribbon is what you can use. All kinds. Things that you don't have a whole lot of. Thick ones. Okay. So we've got some that has the print on one side and the print not on the other. This one has it on both sides. Of course, this one does. And this one does. And the nice thing I like about these ribbons is because they have the wire on both sides, which makes it easy to do the twisting and stuff. So we're going to put it on this little tree, which I got at the thrift store the other day for $1. I mean, this can go in a crock, a basket, just about anywhere, okay? So, let's get started. And before you start, cut your wire because, you know, they sometimes get to be a handful. So, this one is the same on both sides, but it doesn't matter. We're going to do the same technique with this kind or the kind that does not have it on the same side, okay? First thing, since we're doing a bow for this little tree, I always like to figure out if I want short tails or long tails. And I think that is about right, okay? Now, I'm going to drop this part. I mean, this was left from some of the other little trees that I did. I'm going to keep my finger here, but I'm going to drop this because I don't want to have to worry about it, okay? My suggestion to you is get some ribbon that you really don't like, but has the wire, so you can practice, okay? So I'm going to try to step off to the side so you can see. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do is twist, okay? See, I'm going to twist. I'm going to put my thumb there, okay? Now, hold on. And next comes the size of the loops. So I'm going to go back to my little tree because I don't want big loops. I want smaller loops because this tree is smaller. So that's about right, okay? Now, all I'm going to do is twist and hold. Trying to get the next set of loops to where they're almost the same as the other one. And all I'm doing is twist and hold. You can do them the same, or if you want to, you can gradually make them smaller. It's up to you, okay? So I'm going to twist. Now this bow, I want 5 loops on each side. You're twisting as you go. twist. 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 Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need one more. And you're holding it. Twist. Okay. Now I'm going to take the wire, pipe cleaners, whatever you have, you can use them on this. Okay, and I'm just going to put it over the middle and bring it to the back. And then I'm going to twist it as hard as I can. Okay, now we're going to bring these toward the front. Okay, and I'm going to move my hand and put it right in the middle, my thumb there. Okay, now what we want to do is not this one, but this one. This one is going to go up, and the same here will go up. So let me do it this way for you, okay? So I'm taking this one, pulling it up, this one, and pulling it up. Okay, it's kind of like a every other thing. Okay, now this is where you have to kind of play with it. If you need to move it around, fluff it. Okay, and then you could take your scissors and cut it off. Okay, so I'm not going to cut it off because I'm going to try to show you another kind of bow. Okay, now it's hard to do a bow showing you how. Usually I just do a bow and just go, but I need to kind of talk in between and kind of show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so here's our tree. And I know you know how to do this part, where you just do it a little bit. You don't want it to go anywhere, okay? Alrighty, so maybe since it is almost to the end, I'll go ahead and cut it. Now, on the bottoms, you can cut them this way, where you're going here and you're cutting, and then you would do the opposite here, or you can go in and cut and have like a little tail like that. Alrighty, it's up to you, or you could just keep them plain. Okay, so what do you think? Now, I'm going to take this bow out, straighten it out, and we're going to do a different kind of bow. So hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. This bow's a little different, but I'm going to try to do it in front of the camera as best as I can. Alrighty. So we still have to decide how long of a tail we want. Okay, so I'm going to still do about this length. Now, if it's a big bow, okay, you want your tails longer. Okay, now I'm going to twist again because I love this wire. I'm going to twist. Okay, now here I'm going to make a small loop. and I'm going to twist again, okay? Let me show you on the dress. See, I've got two twists. Now, this way, I'm going to put my hand over the twist. So it kind of looks like this way, we've looped around your thumb and we're coming back this way, but we're twisting every time, okay? So now this one is definitely a little different because we're starting from the front of the bow and going toward the back. The other one, we started from the back and came to the front. So don't worry about this because this could always go to the side. So we're going to twist, making our loops, twisting. We don't want them to come out too much, and we're still twisting. Twist. We're gradually going down and we're twisting. This is why I love this wire ribbon. Holding my thumb in that middle, okay? And twist. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I do have ribbon, and you can always use this to tie on a package or a little box, but I'm going to go ahead and add a little more, but I am going to try to do the same amount on one side as I do on the other. Twisting, and we're going to twist. Okay, holding my thumb and my fingers on all this area that I have twisted. Okay, that's why it's easier to go ahead and have this already trimmed and cut. I'm going to slide it through the front if it'll cooperate with me. Okay, and on the back, we are just going to tie, pinching and twisting. Okay, now this is where our bow looks. Okay, I'm going to pull this over, and then I'm going to pull this one down. Okay, see, I need to cut, but that's okay. Now, I'm going to put my thumb in this little middle spot, and we are pulling every other one out. Okay, pull it up, up, every other one. Okay, now I'm going to add just a little bit down here. Okay, what do you think? This kind is cute too. I'm going to put it on my tree. so you can see it. What do you think? Of course, by the time you put it on the tree, you can always pull these up, fluff these out. Okay. Now, let's trim that off. Okay. Alrighty, guys. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this. Just remember, practice, practice, practice. I hope you have a nice day. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you will, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and that bell notification, because I'm telling you, you never know where I'm going to be or what we're going to be decorating, thrifting. You never know. I hope you have an awesome day. I hope you've enjoyed this. And here is our bow, our second kind. Which one do you like best, the first one or the second one? Have a great day, guys. Bye.